we got the brand new Sharp Smart TV. This is a model from 2026 and we want to go through it with you, the first installation. What is to be considered, what points can we skip, what is important, what is less important. So, turn on the TV, Google TV, and we'll get started right now. The first thing we have to do here is to connect the remote control to the TV. We will do that. We have a Bluetooth remote control here, and for this you have to press the following buttons. This is also shown here on the TV, namely the button to the left and the home button. You have to hold that down for a few seconds and then let go, and then your TV should react to the remote control. Done. We have the little bag here that we have successfully connected our remote control to the TV. The language is next. Choose this and then press the OK button. Then select the region. Accordingly, which region you choose, so also the broadcast sorting. With OK you confirm the whole thing. Now there are two options. Do you want Basic TV? With Basic TV you really only have TV and external devices like a DVD player, no matter what you connect. Here you can't download any apps, you can't watch any streaming services online. Right, only pure TV. Google TV, as the name suggests, here I have absolutely everything. Of course, we will set up Google TV. We want to show you how everything works. Press the OK button. Now there is the possibility that you set it up with your smartphone via the QR code, via the Google Home app. I want to do this via the remote control. It takes longer, but I really show you every point here. So scroll down, manual setup with the TV remote control. Here, too, it says the whole thing could take longer. I still say OK. In the background, our WLAN was searched. We choose that now. Next, we have to enter the password for our WLAN. I entered it. Next, to this box, so that we can get to the next point. Now we are connected to our network, so that we can download apps. We are connected and come to the next point. I notice that the TV is running relatively quickly. I wouldn't have thought that, but very good. We are waiting for the next point. The next point will be the account. But let's be surprised what comes next. And, as expected, we have to register here with our email address, with our Google account, so that we can download apps here at all. So, sign up with your account. I'll enter mine. And when you've done that, of course, you have to enter the password. We'll have it in a minute. So.com. And on this file here. And now we have to enter the password next. And here, as with the email address, just click on this file. I have a two-factor authentication here and am now of course asked for the phone number. And then I have to confirm that. I have confirmed the whole thing. Confirmed. We come to the next point. In other words, we have now chosen the country, the network. We have registered with our account. And now let's see what comes next. I assume that it is the broadcast search. But again, let's be surprised. Hello, test account. Click on More. And on Accept. Knowledgeable. Click on More again. And on OK. We can't press anything else. Now there are many points here. You can now go to Accept. Or you do what I do. So, location investigation. I go to Off. Because I don't want Google to know where I am at home. Go back to the next point. The next point is advertising. Very important. Here. Well, I can't deactivate that, but I go back. Make Google TV better. The whole thing is on here too. No, I don't want that either. No use, no diagnosis. Turn it off. Go back. Everything turned off. We need the updates. And on accept. Now comes the next point. Search in all your apps. That means you can search with the Google Assistant in the apps that are installed here. Either no thanks or allow. I'll leave it at no thanks. You can still choose that afterwards. Voice match on this TV. In other words, you can have your voice identified here. Google recognizes that. And with the voice control you can say everything here that you say from the beginning, "Hey Google," and the TV recognizes that. And you can then enter commands. You can choose. I say no thanks. Of course, everyone is left to decide for themselves what to do. Receive personal results. In other words, the TV recognizes what you are watching here. Which YouTube clip or which film. And accordingly there are recommendations. I don't want to have that. No thanks. And these are, for example, points where most people just click on continue. And then they get advertising again and again. Choose from at home. Add technology power at home or further at home. In other words, you can give it a name here. And then you know which TV, where, what is. So I'll leave my name. Okay. Where's the TV? In the living room. Community room. Choose if you want to stream. Then you know where you streamed the whole thing. You should have several TVs. Mine is in the living room. OK button. Now the broadcast search should come next. And after the broadcast search, that would have been it. Which apps do you want to download right away in the background? Choose the most important ones here with the OK button. There is a lot here. You can choose what you want here. As I said, choose these. I'll choose a few apps here so you can see how it all works. And click on Confirm. Energy mode. Standby. Optimized. Increased. Here it is fully optimized. In other words, why is the whole thing like this? It's about power consumption here. When optimized, the updates are downloaded. This is very important. And control TV with other Google Assistants. This is also important. That means I can still control it with my language. And I can stream here via the network. I can do all of this here. At low it is correct here. As you can see, only updates. And at increased, everything is actually activated here. That means I can, as an example, Google Cast via Ethernet and WLAN. Optimized. Press OK. There are also power-saving tips here. I press the OK button. We have to accept data protection. Otherwise we won't get any further. So OK button. Legal. We have to agree and proceed. Of course we have to enter a password as child protection. OK button. Here, enter any password. And confirm the whole thing. Then select TV. The demo mode is here for dealers. So you can see in the shop what the customer can do. The TV can do everything. I don't need that. I don't have a shop at home. Here we go in with OK. We have everything here. Just selected. You can also select that here again. Power saving mode. Chromecast technology. I leave everything as it is. I leave it in power saving mode. OK button. And now we come to this point. What kind of reception do we have? Do we have an antenna, i.e., do we have cable or satellite? If we go in, then on antenna type, there is a selection here. What kind of antenna do you have now? Do you only have one LMB or do you have several? Trisect 1.2. Or do you have unisiable? In other words, the whole thing is fed in with one cable. First of all, individual antennas. What do I want to look for? This is a very important point. Do I want FastCam? Do I want OEF? Then of course the OEF channels are shown at the front. Sky Deutschland, Simply TV, Germany Astra, or wide label platform LCN or Allgemein. With Allgemein you can still select the satellite, only digital channels, or skip the search. With only digital channels, the search is started. In my case I have cable, so I go back to this point, cable. That was one too much. Select cable, very important. Do you have magenta or other? With magenta, of course, the magenta channels are shown. The disadvantage is that you can no longer edit the channels afterwards. So, otherwise, only digital and analog, or skip the search. I only want digital, click on it, search mode, here we go, and again, fast or extended. It is important, always choose complete. So, click here with OK. Again OK. And now we have to start the search, and that works like. That's right, it also says here on the left, press to the right with the arrow key. If you press OK, you always come back to this point here. You have to press the right button here, and as soon as you press the right button, the search starts. A big disadvantage that I noticed here, I cannot choose between encrypted or free. That does not exist here. I only have digital, analog, or both, but I have not encrypted, unencrypted, or both. That's a huge disadvantage. The search has started. This can take up to 10 to 15 minutes. We'll get in touch when everything is done. Everything is done, it took about 10 minutes. We click on the next step. Then next. Then on continue. Here we are shown Dolby Atmos. Now the TV is finally set up. Last time, it only takes a few seconds and then we can actually start with the TV. Then we have set up the Sharp for the first time. Now you have the possibility to set up Google Photos from a screen, to create several profiles, a children's profile. I do not need everything. I want to watch TV now, and I say, call Google TV. And that's it. Here we have our homepage, and here you can select everything. We will provide you with many videos in the coming days. If you have any questions, use the comment function. We say thank you for watching and goodbye.